The global economy is changing much faster than anyone could predict. We are entering a new world order where old rules fail. Globalization has clearly failed to protect the interests of average workers. We live in a K-shaped economy with a growing wealth gap. The rich get richer through assets while others struggle with debt. Artificial intelligence is already starting to disrupt the modern job market. Experts predict that AI will replace half of all white-collar jobs. Traditional career paths no longer guarantee your personal financial security today. You must quickly adapt to this new reality to finally prosper. $1,000 is the critical seed for your financial freedom. Do not wait for the perfect moment because inaction is expensive. Compound interest needs time to work its true magic for you. Starting today puts you ahead of millions who are still waiting. We are currently experiencing a great transformation of the financial system. Real assets are now more valuable than holding simple paper money. Passive income is now a necessary tool for your ultimate survival. Knowledge is your most valuable currency in this complex future world. Your journey to independence starts with this first $1,000. You must learn to distinguish between productive assets and current liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket while liabilities take money. Most people buy expensive things they cannot actually afford right now. A new car is a major liability that loses value instantly. The average monthly car payment in America has exceeded $700. Many owners are currently underwater on their long and expensive loans. Follow the 24-10 rule to avoid this dangerous trap. Put 20% down and finance for no more than 4. Total transportation costs must remain under 10% of your income. Avoid credit card debts, which are the main killers of wealth. Pay off balances with interest rates higher than 15% fast. Use the debt avalanche method to minimize total interest paid today. Lifestyle inflation is another hidden enemy on your path to riches. Do not spend more money just because your income has grown. Keep fixed expenses low to create a gap for future investments. Millionaires typically maintain at least 3 different sources of monthly income. Depending on a single paycheck is a very dangerous financial position. Build a 6-month emergency fund to protect against economic shocks. Index funds are the best entry point for every beginner investor. The S&P 500 tracks the largest and most successful American companies. Historically, this fund delivers between 8 and 10% annual returns. Compound interest works best over very long and stable time periods. $1,000 today can grow into hundreds of thousands later. Waiting just 10 years can cost you millions in future wealth. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA to protect profits. Your investments grow completely tax-free inside this powerful financial tool. Automate your monthly contributions to remove the influence of weak will. Always pay yourself first before you pay any other monthly bills. Ignore the daily market noise and stick to your long-term plan. Market volatility is your best friend for buying assets at discount. Dollar-cost averaging allows you to invest during any market phase. Nominal returns are not everything because you must account for inflation. Real assets protect your purchasing power from the debasement of currency. Stocks represent ownership in the most productive businesses in the world. Avoid speculative bubbles and hype, which often lead to capital loss. Consistency is much more important than trying to time the market. Many modern investors want to receive regular cash flow from assets. Dividend stocks provide stable quarterly payments just for owning the shares. Large companies share net profits with shareholders through regular distributions. Reinvest your dividends to significantly accelerate the growth of your capital. Real estate investment trusts allow you to own commercial property easily. You earn rental income without the stress of being a landlord. Avoid assets that do not produce real value or cash flow. Bitcoin is often called digital gold, but it remains extremely volatile. Cryptocurrency does not pay dividends and depends on the next buyer. Treat crypto assets as small speculative bets instead of a foundation. Gold is a traditional store of value during times of instability. Central banks are buying physical gold at the fastest pace today. Precious metals protect you from risks of a fiat currency collapse. Capital is rotating into hard physical assets due to rising inflation. Prediction markets are a new trend that resembles gambling more than. Do not turn your financial life into a casino by betting. Focus on assets with strong underlying value and clear business models. Cash flow from assets is the only true path to freedom. Your most valuable financial asset is yourself and your unique skills. Spend $1,000 on education to increase your potential income. High-income skills offer the best return on your invested money. Learning data analytics or AI tools will make you indispensable now. A 10% raise can add hundreds of thousands over careers. Deep knowledge remains with you during the heaviest of economic crises. AI makes productive people even more valuable by increasing their speed. Use modern automation tools to scale your personal output and earnings. Transition from selling your time to creating value through business ownership. You cannot become truly wealthy just by renting your time out. Owning part of a business creates social status and long-term wealth. Many successful entrepreneurs started with very little capital in their hands. Use your first $1,000 to launch a side business or brand. Creating quality content is a form of leverage that works constantly. Digital products have infinite scaling potential and very high profit margins. Investing in your own development is never taxed and stays forever. Spend time learning every week to stay competitive in this world. Become the most valuable and knowledgeable person in any room today. True financial success is born from small and consistent daily habits. Automate your savings process on the day you receive your paycheck. Over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck without savings. Do not follow the crowd into the debt pit of consumption. Use the 50-30-20 rule to manage your personal budget. Half of income goes to needs and 20% to investments. Apply the 1% rule before making any large optional purchases. Wait at least one full week before spending on unneeded items. Calculate your true hourly rate after subtracting all taxes and expenses. Ask if a purchase is worth several days of hard work. Negotiate to lower your regular monthly bills twice during every year. A simple phone call can save you hundreds or thousands annually. Track your net worth every quarter to see your real progress. Celebrate every small victory on your path to true financial freedom. Your first saved $1,000 is the most important first step. The future belongs to those who prepare themselves consciously right now. Take full control of your money immediately to change your life. Your passive income empire for 2026 starts with this.